Okay.
So first of all, we need to create the GL accounts.
Hmm.
So this GL account is out of the chart of accounts which you have prepared the previous classes. So first I want to
Yeah.
create some GL accounts. This 1 lakh is not required for us. Now I want to create one cash account. So cash account is 200 100. This is my GL account number. So here GL accounts can be, this is end user activity. It can be created in three
Hmm.
ways. So here accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master accounts, GL accounts, individual processing. See, these are the three ways how I can create a GL account. In centrally,
Okay.
in chart of account and company code. So here, if you want to have the T code for this, FS00, FSP0 and FS00. Okay, I'll display the T code here. I think this path is not available. Yeah, it's there. The same path. Accounting. Fine. This is the wherever there is no SPRO, it implies that it is an end user activity.
Hmm.
Okay. So here, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, then master records, GL accounts, individual processing.
Good.
So here these are the three T codes: FS00, FSP0, and FXX0. So what is the difference between all the three T codes? Generally we use FS00 T code, but so in centrally, in chart of accounts, in company code level. These are the three T codes are available. For example, a client is having company code like this 6020, 6021. What is that? Like this, four company codes the client is having.
Okay.
Yeah. Say this is my client code or elements. By using centrally that FS00, whenever you are creating a GL account in centrally, so this GL account is can be used by all the four company codes.
Hmm.
Once you create a GL account in any of the company code, it can be used all the company codes. For example, the second scenario is chart of account. Chart of account means one company code is using a chart of account which is created by this company code. Okay. So for example, this is my company. This company is using a chart of account which is created for this company code. It means this GL account can be used by this company code only. This is about company chart of account. This is
Okay.
chart of account. So here I am using a chart of account. Here this is a chart of account and this company code also using a chart of account 6020. That whatever the GL
Hmm.
account is used here or created here, it can be used by this company also. That is at chart of account level. In company code level, for example, I am using a chart of account 7020 chart of account. In that case, whatever the GL account you have created here is not applicable. You cannot see this.
Yeah.
Or
It
some
is
other
very
company
simple.
code, what they will do is they will have special provisions. They will have some special requirements. Say for example, this company code or this company is located in US or in Japan. They have some special provisions. They want some special company requirement or according to the local tax authority. They do have some special GL requirement. In that case, I cannot say that whatever the GL account you have created at this company code level is applicable to all the other company codes also. All these company codes also. Because the GL account which is
Oh,
created here in Japan or in this country is not applicable to other countries. That is at the
oh,
company code. Then you need to create your own chart of account here. You need to create your own GL account. Understood the difference?
yeah, yeah.
So generally we use FS00 only, that is centrally. When once it is created centrally, you may use or you may not use. That is left to you. But if it is a special requirement, we'll go like this. Okay.
Okay.
Next. So FS00, use slash and FS00. Enter. Enter the GL account which you want to create. I want to create cash account 200 100. So what is 200 100? I have a question on this. Then open other
Yeah.
session. If you want to open other session, click on this. Open your chart of account which you have created previously. That's OBD4. This is my T code to open the chart of account. Slash n OBD4.
Different.
Enter. From the list of, if the chart of account is clearly visible, okay. Else you can find it out by typing in the position 6020. Enter. These are all my chart of account. From here to here is my chart of account. In the list of GL accounts, search where is 200 100. So it is a part of my current asset, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Then come to creation, another screen. Enter 200 100. So here GL account can be created in two ways. Either you can click on this white icon, that is create option, or from the GL menu icon you can press on this, click on create. Anything is 100, save. Click on create. Oh. So my company code is 6020. Enter your company code. Go to menu. Click on create. So what is account we have drilled down? It is current asset.
Current
Select
assets.
it is a current asset.
Yeah.
Then so cash is a part of my profit and loss account. Select, sorry, it is a balance sheet account. Select it is a balance sheet account.
Current.
Then text, how do you want to display cash in hand? Here also cash in hand. Then go to control data tab. Select only balance in local currency. So why we are selecting only balance in local currency? So if you are pulling any reports, that is trial balance, profit and loss account, balance sheet, first I should prepare my financial statement reports in my local currency, that is INR or USD, whatever the currency you are configured for your company code. Then only you can report to other currencies. So first local currency, then select line item display. What is line item display? I'll explain when we are pulling the reports. One or two classes will come in depth about line item display. Sort key is equal to 001. 001 means it's a date. If you have any clarification, click on F4. It is a posting date. Means whenever you are pulling the reports, first preference on first column should be posting date. This will go in depth later. Under create bank interest tab, select this. Enter G001. So what is G01? It is a field status variant. So here, if you remember yesterday we have configured something on G001. We have made text and business area value data is required. All this is contained in this one. Okay? Yes.
Okay.
Click on enter. Then for cash and bank account, we'll select relevant to cash flow, this account. Only for 2GL account, we'll select relevant to cash flow. Why we are selecting means this GL account can be used by FSCM consultants or for the purpose of managers to plan the available resource in the company so that they can allocate it for the payments. How much funds are available in the company? What is the payment I need to make? Then
Hmm.
click on save or you can use Ctrl S in the keyboard. It is saved. Yes. Then
Yes.
we'll create some GL accounts in the same way. Next. In the next step, we are going to create surplus in the profit and loss account. So the GL account is 100.
The procedure is the same, right?
Yeah, I did not mention. Here in the creation account, open your chart of account like this. See where is 100. It is,
Reversals and surpluses.
yes, exactly. So it is a part of my profit and loss account. So here, why it is a resource and surplus means in the profit and loss account, whatever the balance is there, whether it's a profit or loss, it should be reported in the resource and surpluses. If it is a profit, it should come to resource and surplus on the balance sheet liability side. If it is a loss, then it should be carried to the balance sheet on the right hand side, asset side, to miscellaneous expenditure to
Yes.
the extent written off for loss, so that this loss can be recovered later. So profit is a liability side, as loss on the asset side. Okay. Then in the creation side, enter 100. Click on create. You can use this icon or you can go to menu, click on create. So here I'll click on create icon. Select type or description tab. In the account group we have seen it is a resource and surplus. Click on the drill down button. Select resource and surpluses. This is my resource and surplus. Then it is a part of my balance sheet. Select balance sheet icon. Type it on the short text. You can type anything, profit and loss account or like this. So profit and loss account. Long text also, profit and loss account. In the control data tab, select control data tab. Select only balance in local currency. Line item display. Sort key is 001. Then create bank or interest. Enter G001. So this is unique to all the GL accounts. Okay. For all the GL accounts, we will not select relevant to cash flow. Only for bank and cash, we will select relevant to cash flow. Click on save. So this GL account is also created. Next one. We'll create a GL account for salaries, that is 400, 100. One second, let me open any other material. Or else here in this one, what I'll do is, I'll be forwarding the material to you. You make a note of this, all the what we are discussing. With the help of pencil or paper, you'll make a note of the GL account which you are covering. Okay.
Okay.
So
No
now
issue.
we are going to create a salaries account. So salaries account, I am saying it is 400 100 GL number. So where is 400 100? Open the chart of account list here. See where is 400 100. It is a part of my personal cost.
Personal cost.
Then come to creation, enter 400 100, click on create mode, then select type or description tab, and under the account group it is a personal cost. Drill down, select personal cost. This is my personal cost. Salaries is a part of my profit and loss account. It is a profit and loss account. Then short text is salaries account. Type salaries. Here also salaries. Then go to control data. Select only balance in local currency. Line F display. Sort key 001. Create bank interest G001. Enter and save it. So I created my salaries account. Like this, we are going to create multiple GL accounts like salaries, wages and cash. So here you have created salaries account like this. Again, I want to create a wages account with the number of 400, 200. So like this, we'll not keep on entering all the tab. Here, I have entered the number. Next time, if I want to create another GL account 400, 200, I will enter the number. I'll select with the template. Okay. Click on with the template. Then I want to copy what all the fields I have selected for 400 100, that is the previous GL account, that should be copied to 400 200 also. So with reference to 400 100, enter the company code 6020, enter. Now automatically everything is going to copy to 400 200. This is for time saving.
Yeah.
The control data automatically it is selected, line item settlement, sort key is selected, even under create bank interest also this is selected. The only one change we need to do is this 400 200 is a part of my manufacturing cost. See, 400 200 is part of my manufacturing cost. Just simply we'll select the manufacturing cost. This one. It is a profit and loss account. I'll remove the text as have salaries and type as wages. Wages. I'll click on save. Done. This is with reference to template. So with the template means copying with reference to which GL account you want to create another GL account. Yeah.
Yes.
Now I want to create a rent account. That is part of my administration cost. Rent account 400 300. So here I will enter the number 400 300. Then with the template 400 100 only, enter. So 400 300 is a part of my administration cost. See the selection 400 300. It is administration cost. Under drill down, select as administration cost like this. So here, for example, instead of selecting administration cost, I have selected any other account group. For example, by mistakenly I have selected current liabilities. System will alert you. System will give an error message saying that the GL account number 400 300 is a part of my administration cost. So you cannot create under 100 500 because 100 500 is a different category. If you cross check,
Okay.
100 500 is a part of my current liabilities and provision. Then in that case we need to select the current correct one. That is administration cost. And once you select the correct one, system will accept again. So no need to worry. If I have taken a wrong account group, what happens? Okay, save it.
Okay.
So is it fine? Or you have any questions on creation?
No. That's fine.
So you need to
I
practice.
have a doubt.
Yeah.
When we created, right?
Hmm?
We created one GL.
Hmm?
Is there any option to edit that?
Yes, is there, that we'll see later.
Okay.
Currently we are in the creation only. We'll have the option. We have the option.
Okay.
Now the next step is display the GL account created in chart of account. I want to see how many chart of accounts or how many GL accounts have created in my company code, that is 6020. The T code is F.10 in the creation. Now I don't require the chart of account, close it. In the command bar /n F.10, enter. I want to display all the GL accounts, so it starts with 1 to all 9s anywhere. My range will be somewhere. I don't know the exact number. So what is my chart of account? It is 6020.
620.
Yeah. Click on execute. This is called execute bar. Or you can use F8 also in the keyboard, F8.
Yeah.
See, it is displayed here. Execute F8 bracket.
Okay.
Execute this. So we have created all the 5 GL accounts. One is profit and loss account, one is cash account, one is salaries, wages, and all this. Right?
Hmm.
Like this, it is going to display. Next. So you are asking about how to edit the GL account.
Yeah.
Okay. Now
FS.
FS00, enter. I want to first you display how it is. And salaries is the part is there. But tomorrow the client is
Yes.
saying that I want salaries in depth, like salaries paid to branch office or salaries at head office, salaries to which region is that. Now if I put the cursor
Hmm.
here, it is not going to accept any change because it is saved. I
Yes.
cannot make any change, but the change is a mandatory. Then what I'll do is we'll select this icon, pen icon. This is called edit. Click on this icon.
Hmm.
Now it will accept. So here I want to say as salaries head office. Enter and save it. Now it is saved. Right?
Okay.
Next one.
Yes.
I want to display all the changes which have happened to GL account. So here I want to find out who is the person who had made all the changes to this. Then FS04 is the T code. These are all the end user activities. /n
Hmm.
FS04, enter. I want to display, I have made some changes on this. I want to see what all the changes I have made to the GL account. Enter the GL account number under the account number category. Click on enter. So it is system is saying that the changes happen to long text and short text. I want to have still
Hmm.
details. Double click on that. See,
Yeah.
dates. So in dates, field GL text. So what is the change? Old text is salaries. New text is salaries head office. Like this it is going to
Hmm.
display.
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Then. So the blocking GL account I'll explain when we are posting the transaction. Okay. Now if I
Okay.
explain you'll not understand.
Okay.
now. So here the configuration of new GL accounting, I'll do 2 steps. This will cover in depth when our syllabus is coming to the end. Only 2 steps. So what is this 2 steps? If I tell you now, you'll not understand anything. Okay. So new GL accounting, I'll
Okay.
explain in depth when the course is going to complete. But in the meanwhile, I'll explain what is the new GL accounting in short. So here, whatever the GL account we are using is called classical GL accounting. Okay. Ignore about that. Just follow the path and do the configuration how I am saying. Okay. So SPRO, IMG, financial accounting new, all this. Go to SAP. SPRO. If you want to make a shortcut here like this,
Yeah.
then so if you want to customize like this, put it in favorite, then go to favorites icon here. Then I want to insert transaction like this. So if the T code is of repetitive every time, instead of typing the command bar, I can put it like this. Insert transaction. Enter the T code which you want to insert. FH00 I want to enter. Just type the T code, click on enter. So a node will be added. Node is nothing but the shortcut. Okay, like
Yep.
this. If you want to delete, just click on right click on delete.
And
Right. There. So here we will do some customization about the GL account. SPRO, financial accounting, all this. SPRO, IMG, financial accounting new,
okay.
financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business transactions, document splitting, classify GL account for document splitting. Enter your chart of account 6020. Enter. Click on new entries. So all my accounts are starting with 1 lakh series to 2 lakh 99. So it is a part of my balance sheet. 1 series is my liability, 2 series is my assets. 0 1 10,000. What is 1000? Click on F4. It is a balance sheet. Then 3 series to 39 series. It is a part of my revenue. Enter like this. 4 series to 4 ending. It is my expense category 20,000. Click on enter. Okay, just do like this only. What I am telling in this only 2 steps. Click on save. Enter. So my account group is Lenovo. Click on own request.
Lenovo.
Double click on enter. Then in the second step, I am going to select this one. Define document splitting characters for GL accounting, and I will deselect all the options. Nothing should be selected here. This side or this side. Click on enter and save it. Enter. Yes. Enter. So the same way I have explained in this material also, because this is must and mandatory. If this is not done, system when you are posting the transaction, system will give an error message like new GL accounting is active, but it is put as inactive mode. Okay, so this is compulsory.
Yeah.
So how to enter? This is step number 1. classified GL account for document splitting. The navigation of path is SPRO, IMG, financial accounting new, then general ledger accounting new, then business transaction, then document splitting, then classified GL account for document splitting. All this. Then in the next step, second step, so this is the category I have given 1 lakh to 2 lakh 99. It is 1000. It belongs to balance sheet. 3 lakhs to 3 lakh 99 is a part of my revenue account. 4 lakh to 4 lakh 99 is 20,000, that is expense account. Just enter like this one. That is initially. Then in the second step, what I have done is define document splitting characteristics. Ensure that every checkbox is deselected. Click on save. Nothing else. Okay. It will take some time. But without practice, it is not advisable here.
Yeah, yeah. I will fix it today.
Yeah, today, it's a Friday.
Yeah.
So tomorrow you want the class, or else you want any this thing?
No, I don't have any problem.
No
We'll
problem.
continue tomorrow. No.
No, for me it's okay. I don't have any issue on that.
If okay, if you have any work or anything, then no.
No, I don't.
Otherwise,
I don't have any work.
okay, then fine.
Yeah, morning. What about Sunday?
Sunday also same.
Okay, so we'll continue all the 7 days then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, next month I'm having exams.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe on exam day I cannot attend the class.
Yeah, okay, that's
So we'll
okay. Because
continue on
please
weekends.
inform me within 2 days, or so that we can stop the classes.
Yeah.
After doing all this basic configuration, I need to test my system whether what all the configuration we have done till now is perfect or not. So now it is a testing. We need to test it. So to post a
Mm.
transaction, this is also an end user activity, but as a consultant, we need to test one time.
Check.
Yes, check in.
Yes.
So F-02 is a T code. In the command bar /n F-02. Enter. Give the date on which you are posting the transaction. So 01/07/2000 current date. Then enter the company code 6020. So here July it is coming. If you want, you can select any other date, or you can select the current date also, no problem. Period. So here I have taken
7.
fiscal year. Fiscal year means April, May, June, July. That is fourth month, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Enter 4 here. Currency is INR. Then, so what is the difference between document date and posting date? I have explained what is the difference. Document date is the date on which the transaction took place, and
Yeah.
posting date will be the date on which you are entering into system or you are entering into your diary. It's called posting date.
Hmm.
Sometimes the posting date and document date will be same, no problem in that. And here, generally, if we write any transaction that is any general entries, we'll say cash salaries account debit to cash, DR and CR. But in SAP, the DR and CR is not available. Here, if I write any journal entry, I'll be writing like this: salaries account debit to cash account I'll write. For example, my salary amount is 1000. Amount as 1000. Like this is the general practice till now we are following. But in SAP,
Yeah.
it will recognize 40 and 50. So what is 40? It is debit.
Hmm.
Like this in SAP it is going to recognize. The DR will not be there. Why?
Yeah.
Because as an end user, we are very much flexible in the numeric keyboard. Instead of typing each DR and CR, it will take some time. Where we need to search where is D, where is C. So if I say 4050, it is very easy to find it. So only for the purpose of convenience of the end user, SAP has given this facility. Debit, credit.
Yeah.
So if you enter automatically the T code F-02, automatically by default it will say posting key as 40. Then input the number. So I want to first post 400 100, that is salaries account, is a
Hmm.
part of my salaries account. Enter. I want to post 15,000 as a rent, sorry, salaries. Then see here, business area is put as a mandatory. Text is also put as a tick mark. For example, the end user has forgotten to give the business area and he has typed the text as salaries paid for June. Like this he has typed it. Then 50, that is credit, 200 100, that is cash account. He clicks on enter. System is going to give the error message. So what is this error message? We are saying that enter the business area, it is a required entry, right? In the
Yes.
OBC4 setting, we have asked the system to give, compulsorily ask the business area, text and value data is required entry. So if you observe,
Yes.
open OBC4 T code, enter, select your variant, that is 6020, double click on field status groups, double click on G001, general data. Here we have asked text as a mandatory, that is okay. Come back. In the additional account assignment, we have asked to enter the business area. So if you put optional, system will not give that message. So he need to enter 6020. Click on enter. It will accept now. So to copy the amount, you can manually type the amount, whatever the amount you have typed, or else you can put asterisk, star mark. Star in the amount
Hmm.
column implies that you are asking this SAP to copy the amount of the previous debit entry to credit line item. Business area 6020, then text. If you want, you can type manually or you can put plus mark. Plus indicates
Yes.
whatever the text you entered in the debit line item, it should be copied to credit line item. Then you can click on overview or you can go to menu document and simulate.
Simulate.
So this is my journal entry. I want to first see how the journal entry looks before posting. So 001 implies it is line item number 1, 002 implies line item 2, 40 debit, 50 credit, business area 6020, 6020, account 400 200 is a salaries account, 200 100 is a cash account, 1500 and 15,000 15,000. So in accounts we have one fundamental rule, like debit must be equal to credit, right?
Hmm.
So here
Yes.
debit 15,000 credit, that is equal to 0. Okay. Then click on save. Okay. So it is giving one error message. This we need to resolve. Do you have the time?
No. Yeah, continue.
Okay. So here this issue will happen when once you do that additional new GL configuration. That is, we have deselected some of the icons there. Then if that issue is coming, open other session. This controlling we discuss later. SPRO, IMG. So here we are removing that error. Okay. Controlling, general controlling, organization, maintain controlling area. Click on create. Double click on maintain controlling area. Click on your entries. Enter the controlling area 6020. So this we'll discuss in depth when the 50 asset accounting is done. Currently I am telling this one. Okay.
Hmm.
Controlling area for 6020. I'll not explain anything, just I'll do the configuration. So I have done some basic settings.
Okay.
Now I am posting once again. Now this error should not come. Go to F-02 again. Enter. Enter the document date. Enter the GL account 400. Click on enter. Input the number 15,000. This is my debit line item. Item number 1. Line item number 1. Debit entry 40. Then business area 6020. Text. Salary paid. Posting key 50. 200, 100 is cash account. Enter. Copy the amount. To copy the amount, put asterisk. Enter the business area. Copy the text. To copy the text, put plus. Click on overview or you can go to menu document simulate. This is the journal entry it is looking. Now I want to post it. So that if it is accepting what all the configuration we have done till now, it is perfect. Else I need to rectify that error. Just know how I have done.
Hmm.
Click on save. So document 1 was posted. Means the configuration is fine now. So here where this document number 1 is coming.
Hmm.
Where I have not given any document number, but where this number is coming. So in the previous class we have done one setting. We have gone to OBA 7, OBA 7, entered. In this list we have selected SA document type, enter. Remember we have selected
Yes.
this activity. We clicked on details. We have ensured it's 01 here. We clicked on number range information. We have entered our company code 6020. We clicked on intervals.
Enter.
So this is our number, right?
Uh,
01. So Number NR status previously it is 0, but now it is showing as 1, means document 1 is posted in your company code. That is the meaning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So if you keep on posting, the number will get updated. Nothing else.
Yep.
So in the rest of the things we'll continue tomorrow.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. So here
Okay.
I'll be sending two materials to